Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on equations of lines, and right now specifically direct proportionality and Hooke's law. Hooke's law is probably one of the more common examples of direct proportionality because it's studied a lot in physics. You may have seen this, but a neutral spring takes no force to stretch because it just sits there. But as you stretch it out, the tightness of the spring, its spring constant, which is the constant of proportionality in a directly proportional system, tells you how hard it's going to take, how many newtons. And newtons is just a measurement of force. So we have, first question asked is, for Hooke's law, what's the general formula? And the general formula, you start with the spring constant, which is the variable used for the constant of proportionality in direct proportionality, which is K. Actually, it's the variable used for any kind of proportionality, be it direct or inverse. And then the variable used for the second variable in the equation. Each equation has two variables. All right, so we have F equals Kx. That's just our generic starting point. Next, we're asked to come up with an equation. So if a spring at rest is 15 inches, and it takes 50 newtons to stretch it to 20 inches, this is going to allow us to calculate that constant of proportionality and come up with an actual equation. So what we do is we start with this F equals Kx. The F is 50 newtons, the K we don't know, and the X is not 20. 20 minus 15, the X is 5 because we didn't stretch the spring 20 inches. We stretched the spring to 20 inches, but it started at 15. So if we divide both sides by 5, we get that K is equal to 10, or that our actual formula is F equals 10x. Now, the last question given was, how much force would it take to stretch the spring to 18 inches? Once again, it's stretch the spring to 18 inches, not 18 additional inches. So what we need to do for part C is say 18 minus 15 is 3, and then the force is 10 times 3, which is 30 newtons. Always label your numbers. It's very important. A number without a label is meaningless. I hope you have learned something new today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like my Facebook page if you would like, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.